What's up everyone, Zhaenn here for another walkthrough video, this time on Pokemon XD. Last time we came to heal our Pokemon behind this lava waterfall over here that we can see. And this time we're going to head into the tunnel just like I said in the last episode. Alright, so we have a Cypher Peon guarding a PC and an elevator. I think I will keep this combo right here because I think it's pretty good. So here we go. You look cute, but you're also brave and bold to come to a place like this. It would be a shame to meet someone like you, but this is a good chance to score some points with Master Greevil. Master Greevil better not have seen this. Oh, he sees everything. So yeah, now we can access our PC. So let's look at the purified chamber. I don't think anything is ready to be purified, although most of them are pretty close. Can I turn this? I never really got that rotate thing because like it doesn't really do anything. Yeah, Growlithe is definitely struggling a bit. But okay, that takes care of that. So I'm gonna go back and heal to not have to deal with Sharpedo's confusion. Or it's not, no, it wasn't confusion, it was accuracy. Because he missed twice. He's bad. Alright. So now, I think we're gonna go, Vaporeon actually is lacking. So we're gonna put her with Celio. Because I actually want Celio to level up. Now, do I have some rare candies? Because I might consider using those. I have 3. I could technically evolve it in like... Or is it 42? I believe it's 42 into Walrein. I'm not sure. Alright, we got another email from Egan again. Dear Zhaenn, I hope you are well. I wrote you a haiku poem. If Team Snag'em goons cause trouble in the desert, go and sandbag 'em. If you get that reference, bonus points for you. It's from a YouTuber, so I hope I don't get copyrighted by that. But yeah, he always reads this haikus like that, so there we go. So he's writing all these like emails and stuff, and I don't really see the purpose. Alright, so we got a lot of chests over here. And we have some optional battles all over here. And this is the main path. So I think we're going to do the optional battle. But that is going to take a lot of time. So all of these are probably going to get sped up. So there we go. Alright, so we found 2 hyper potions in this chest. And we're going to battle her. Oh, sorry, this is a dead end. Oh. Alright. Oh, Togepi is ready to be purified. That's good. So we're now going to take on this Hunter, I believe. We're gonna heal Vaporeon first off, because it's pretty beat up. And here we go. You're going this way? I don't think that's a wise decision. Because you have to beat me to go this way. Please, go right through. Alright, so we took him out. I'm going to go heal, making Celio come back with us to fight again. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back over here. So we're gonna cross this little bridge over here, and to get to this chest we're gonna need to come out through this entrance, which is just there. So we have a chest that has a PP up inside, so that's pretty good. And if you can see, there is another chest over there, and there's this platform that comes down, so we'll have to remember that. Now as we head over here, I'm gonna take on this guy. Whoa, you're making a huge mistake if you think you can get past me without an incident. I was the one who made a huge mistake. Yep, you did. Alright, so before we take on this Cypher Peon, I'm going to heal up Celio, and I think I'm gonna switch in Vaporeon for Sharpedo. Now I'm gonna keep Celio in the front of the party, because I want him to evolve very soon. I know what you're after, so I'm not going to let you pass. Okay, Maribee may have appeared. Let's see where he is. Just for the fun of it, because we really can't go. Cave Pokespot, that's a shame, because I could have gone. Alright, Zangoose is ready to be purified. Can I just go and grab my chest now? It has an elixir in it, so that's pretty good. So now we're gonna go into the main path and continue on our journey through Citadark Isle. So here it is. Before we begin, I'm going to revive, because I really can't be bothered to go back and heal, so I'm just gonna revive and Hyper Potion. There we go. I'm also gonna do the same with this guy, and we're good to go. Oh, there's a Cypher Peon. Wahahaha. You thought there was no one this way, didn't you? You're not getting off the hook that easily. Okay, so here is Cypher Peon Coalesced. And he has a Camera and a Wheezing. So Camera life expectancy, or however you say that word, 5 seconds more or less. So I think we're gonna go and Aura Beam the Wheezing and Waterfall the Camera, and Camera is pretty much down for the count. That's a fact. Yes, alright. I would say that I was right and I predicted that, but it was pretty easy because I have a whole team of water Pokemon, or I guess I have some Pokemon that are not water type, but I can't use them, so it's the same. Alright, so he has a Muck also. Now that does half, so that's good. Okay, he's gonna do that on Sharpedo. So I think I'm just gonna negate that and use the call feature. There we go. Now hopefully that knocks it out. There we go. That was like pretty much like half of its HP, really precisely, so I didn't know if it was going to knock it out or not. So here's a Rapidash. Pretty cool looking model, but it's a shadow Pokemon. Rapidash is a fairly fast fire type, has decent attack and okay bulk, I guess, but it's definitely not something that I would consider adding right now. If you want to add a fire type, I would recommend more the Magmar that we fought back then, a little while ago, just because it has Thunder Punch, so it has coverage of its water weakness, and it's, I don't know, I just prefer Magmar more. It's not as fast as Rapidash, but like if you're fast and you don't really have a lot of moves, then there's not a whole lot you can do. Later on, Rapidash, like in the other games, you can learn like Flare Blitz, Bounce, and things like that. It can still learn Bounce in this one, I believe, but Flare Blitz is not a move that was invented, I'm pretty sure. Alright, that's gonna be funny. Yeah, 10 HP. Woohoo! After the defense drop, mind you. So yeah, I think we're gonna go with Slash actually, because Muck is very specially bulky. So I didn't really think of that first. Well, it does the same damage, pretty much. Shadow Rave, let's hope that doesn't kill Celio. Alright, that's fine, and that does a lot of damage. Alright, Paralyze, please. Critical hit. Okay. Paralyze? No. Well, it's pretty much in a catching range now, so we're gonna do that. And we're also going to take out this Muck. So, let's go with an Ultra Ball on Mr. Rapidash here, and let's do a Crunch on Mr. Muck. And that should take care of them. So here we go, Shadow Rapidash. Let's see if we can catch this thing. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we got it. It was pretty obvious that we were gonna get it. If we can get some like Bandits and that low of HP, then yeah, I'm pretty sure that we can get those when it's that low. Next up is Magcargo. It's also a Shadow Pokemon. Now, if you want a Fire type, I would not recommend Magcargo unless you're like doing a Fire type Monotype run or something and you need a lot of Fire types. Just because it has 2 quad weaknesses, so it's really not that great. And yeah, like I don't know how, like it can learn some rock type moves and some fire type moves, so I guess that's okay, that's fine, but it really doesn't do anything that major. Like it doesn't have that much of an attack stat, or like an overwhelming attack stat, meaning like, oh, it's very good. Yeah, I was expecting that. So yeah, like Magcargo really doesn't have anything going for it, and it, you know, it's pretty sad actually, because I quite like the concept of Magcargo, but it's just it doesn't really get any use, like realistically. So yeah, that's unfortunate. Okay, so I think we're going to try to catch it again, because I like to live dangerously. And actually no, we're just gonna switch out both of my Pokemon. I could heal them both, I guess, but whatever. So let's go Quagsire. And I guess I can attack with Bite on Vaporeon. I'm pretty sure that one bite wouldn't knock it out. And those don't really do much, so that's fine. Alright, Quagsire, you're gonna throw a Ultra Ball. Well, I'm gonna do it in Quagsire's turn. Quagsire's not the one that's gonna throw the ball. That would be weird, because it has like these tiny little arms. I don't know how much of a throw that would be. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I almost got it. Okay, well, bite should weaken it enough so that next time we get it. About half HP, that's pretty good. And we flinch, that's good. Now I think I will do, well, I'm gonna do another Ultra Ball, that's for sure. But I think I'm gonna do Aura Beam just because if bite crits, then it will kill it. And I don't want that, so there we go. That's my reasoning behind it. So, Snack Ball! 1, 2, 3, and we got it. There we go. And we defeated Coalesced. I just can't battle in this wicked heat. Rapidash and my cargo were sent to the PC, adding on to our collection. Very good. So we're going to heal up both of my leads because they're pretty much dead. And I can't be bothered to go back right now. Alright, so we're gonna continue on this path, and there's another Cypher Peon. I'm throwing everything at you with no restraint. I can't take this brutal heat anymore. It's too hot here. I can't focus my mind at all. Alright, so we got past this this room over here. We have a chest that contains 2 full restores. Very good. Very good. $6,000 right there. Alright, so you see these 2 brutes. Well, we're gonna take them on next time because I'm gonna end things off here. So, leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and post your feedback in the comments section down below, and I'll see you guys next time. See you then.